The truth about bank statement loans, pros, cons, and common misconceptions. Hey there, if you are a successful business owner looking at homes in North Atlanta luxury market, this message is for you. I'm about to break down a mortgage strategy that can help you qualify for the home you want without trying to make your tax returns say something it doesn't, or restructuring it to pay more in taxes. Let's talk about bank statement loans, what they really are, who they're for, and why they are absolutely the smartest play for self-employed luxury buyers right now. So what are they? A bank statement mortgage lets you qualify based on your real cash flow, not your taxable income. That means no W-2s, no pay stubs, no tax returns. Instead, lenders look at 12 or 24 months of your personal or business bank statements, tracking actual deposits to determine income. If you're a 1099 contractor, we can use your 1099s as your income. It's just calculated a bit differently than the bank statements. It's ideal for consultants, for entrepreneurs, for real estate investors, and any high-income earner who has optimized their tax position and now finds themselves penalized by traditional underwriting. Now let's talk about the real-world benefits. First, true income recognition. Your deposits tell the real story. For example, if you are writing off, let's say $100K, and it's in legitimate expenses, why should you be punished for being tax efficient? Your earnings are $100K. You might need half of that to carry your business, or maybe even less. And this is what we look at. Second, jumbo-friendly limits. Many of these loans will go well up to over $3 million, and you don't need perfect tax stocks or massive reserves to get there. Third, competitive rates. I work with lenders who offer bank statement loans at just about 1 point over traditional rates. And for my top tier borrowers, that spread can even be a little tighter. Fourth, reasonable down payments. Most of my clients close with just 10 to 15% down. That's right, that's luxury financing with leverage and without the hassle. And number 5, no oddball rules once you close. It acts just like any other mortgage. Same monthly payment, same amortization, same prepayment flexibility, which, by the way, is never allowed on any loan for your primary residence. Now let's look at the cons. Let's talk honestly. Your bank statements need to reflect your earnings and a legitimate trail coming in from your business. Only one business bank account or personal bank account can be used. Having changed a bank account or banks is permissible with a good explanation. Limited NSF fees and fluctuating deposits can also delay. Underwriters like to see consistency in income. But if you're running a solid business, you're good. Not every lender offers this. You need a broker like me who has access to lenders that specialize in the non-QM space. Bank statement loans for self-employed buyers, to be specific. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. And no, it's not for everyone. If you just launched your business last quarter, you're likely not ready. You need to have an established business and have been in the same line of work for at least 2 years. But if you've got consistent revenue and reserves, you're a prime candidate. Now let's talk about myths and misconceptions and bust a few of those myths while we're here. Bank statement loans are risky. False. For primary residences with a qualified borrower, they perform just like any other conventional loan. Once it's closed, it's your mortgage. There's no alternative about it. Another myth, the rates are sky high. Also false. There is a small premium, yes. There's greater risk to the lender, but often it's just 1% higher. And when you're buying a 1.2, a 2 million, or even $3 million home, that difference can mean the freedom of actually qualifying for that home that you really want. And that reflects your success. They come with a prepayment penalty. Not on a primary home ever. That's a myth. And if someone told you that, they either are misinformed or selling fear. Why it matters in North Atlanta? Now here's where this really counts. The luxury market in North Atlanta, from Alpharetta and Milton to Roswell and Sandy Springs is still competitive. Inventory is moving fast. Sellers are watching pre-approvals closely. If you're relying on a conventional lender who doesn't understand your financials, you're probably leaving opportunity on the table. Bank statement loans help you play offense. You close faster, you qualify for more, and you stay fully aligned with how your income actually flows. If you're a business owner or a luxury buyer and you know your tax returns don't reflect your real income, let's talk. I'll match you with the lender that sees your full financial picture, and I'll guide you through the entire process so you can buy smart and buy now. DM me to start the conversation or click the link below. No drama, no red tape, just solutions that fit your lifestyle and how you do your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at closing table.